Hi everyone and welcome. So now in this video we are going to cover that how to control GPIO of Luxvox Lyra Plus board with Python using Periphery library, and I am running build root operating system on my Luxvox Lyra board. Okay, here you can see my Luxvox Lyra board, and I have connected this LED with my Luxvox Lyra board, and I want to control this LED state. Okay, so we want to get access to the GPIO to control this LED state. So how we can do that using Python and the Periphery library. Now we have covered in the previous video that if you are running the build root operating system inside your Luxvox Lyra board, then Python is already installed, as well as Periphery library is already installed in that. You don't have to install it separately. Now we can directly create the Python script and we can control this LED status. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the command nano blink.py. Okay, now here is the nano editor. Now here we have to paste Python program. Now from where you will get the Python program, so I am on the wiki page of Luxvox Lyra. Here you can see Luxvox Lyra Plus and peripheral and interface, and I'm in the GPIO section. Now I'll scroll down and here you can see controlling GPIO with Python. So I'm going to copy this code. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and here you can see LED pin is 41, so I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'll press Ctrl X, Y and enter. Okay, now here it is mentioned that we have connected our LED on the pin number 41, and physically also we have connected this LED on the pin number 41. Okay, which is GPIO number 14 but pin number 41. So how do you identify that? So here if you scroll up on the wiki page, then here you can see, so I have connected the LED on this pin. Okay, let me open this parallelly. Okay, so here now you can see I have connected the LED, okay, on this pin, okay, which is GPIO number 14 and pin number 41. Okay, pin number 41, and I have connected the blue cable to the ground pin of this Luxvox Lyra board. Okay, so that's why we have used 41 in the Python program. Now we have already made a connection. Now what we have to do is we just have to run that Python script. So here you can run python 3 blink.py. Okay, and here you can see on the camera the LED is blinking at interval of 0.5 second, I guess. So let us check in the code. Yeah, it's 0.5 second of interval. Okay, so here you can see we have imported GPIO from the Python Periphery library. We have specified the pin number 41. We have specified that pin number 41 we are going to use as the output, and we have write true on that pin. We are writing false on that pin at the interval of 0.5 second. So basically it's a blink program in our Luxvox Lyra board. Okay, so this is how you can control GPIO of your Luxvox Lyra board. You can also attach the relay, and you can also use this Luxvox Lyra board to control the home automation equipments as well as industrial automation equipments, as we have the Ethernet, so you can get the data from your Modbus TCP device, OPC device, MQTT, BACnet device, and if you want to control anything based on those data, then you can use the GPIO to control your industrial or building automation equipments or home automation equipments. Okay, and this is the sample program you will get on the wiki page of Luxvox. And if you want to navigate to the wiki page of Luxvox, then here I have provided the link to navigate to that page. So whatever our agenda was for the video, that how to control GPIO of Luxvox Lyra Plus Linux micro development board with Python using Periphery library, that we have completed. And yeah, make sure I am running build root operating system inside this. Okay, here you can see I haven't attached any SD card with Ubuntu operating system. So basically I am running build root operating system, and I have flashed the build root operating system onto the NAND storage. So you will get Python and the Periphery library pre-installed in the build root operating system, so you don't have to worry about Python and the library. You can directly control the GPIO using this kind of code. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and if you have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, and you can visit this wiki page to understand the pin mapping of your Luckfox Lyra Plus board. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos regarding Luckfox Lyra Plus board. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.